Hey, this is Justin Schauers, the principal broker here at Home Basics Real Estate. Today we have an amazing home that we'd like to feature and showcase for you. We're in the Eaglewood community, which is in North Salt Lake. And the golf course is right here that kind of runs in and around a lot of these homes. It is one of the most highly rated golf courses in the state. They've just redone the clubhouse. It is lovely, it's gorgeous. And this home fits in so nicely in the neighborhood. I mean, we're talking about some really upper end, well thought out custom homes. This is no exception. You can see the beautiful curb appeal that we've got here. It's almost a full brick home. You'll see that it's built on a little bit of a slope. So those basement bedrooms are really not in the basement. Isn't that nice? To kind of boost the curb appeal, you see all these plantings. Love them. Good variety. We've got stain stamped concrete. Look at this entryway. It's grand. Now, they have made so many updates and upgrades during their ownership. I hope we can hit them all in this video. But a couple of things just on the outside. This has a wonderful roof. Not too many people invest in these kinds of roofing systems, but that's going to last you for a very, very long time. They've also put in the Jellyfish lighting system. You can see all of the lighting in the eaves there. You can change the mood of the home with an app. It's a great, great system. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. There are so many surprises as we go through here. You're absolutely going to love this. Wonderful approach to your front door. Let's take a look inside. Okay, I'll kick off the shoes here. This place is so clean. It's so well decorated, so well thought out. A couple things right away you'll notice, just the vaults. I mean, the tremendous height of these ceilings here. I love the hardwood floors. They had a lot of hardwood floors when they bought this home, but they decided to add more hardwood floors. So they had a contractor come in and match them, and then they sanded everything down and put this really cool, it's kind of like a gray wash stain here, and I just love it. So we have a formal living room, which is so nice. Look at this fireplace, designer tile, all the woodwork. You can see a lot of trim and custom built-ins. These windows are awesome. So much natural light. And we're actually approaching about 7:30 in the evening, and you can still see as we go throughout so much natural light that comes in because the amount of windows is unbelievable. Okay, so we have a formal living room here. This has been used in the past as a formal dining room, and you can use it any way that you would like. What I love about this is that it goes right outside to that deck, which we'll see in just a little bit. There is no shortage of spaces to entertain your guests and your friends. Custom touches, look at these doors, super unique, beautiful hardware on all of the doors. Let's go ahead and take it to the right here. We do have a photographer here. You'll see him maybe in this video, that's okay. So they have a breakfast nook here. They have custom made seats, padding, right? Love that. It's a cool bay window. And they use this as their dining room, but this could be really a kind of just a fun family room, a place to gather, fireplace. To go with that fireplace, keep track of how many fireplaces are in this house. And then we're gonna shoot back this direction and you'll see the kitchen. Now they've done a lot of work in this kitchen. First of all, you have new countertops. They are really spectacular. And they've got all new appliances, dishwasher, gas cooktop. They're leaving the refrigerator, by the way. Might as well peek here at the back porch. Little place for you to come in here and put your jacket. A very well placed half bathroom. Totally out of the way. Love that. Okay. Love this garage. It's finished. It has all of the shelving here. It's even got plantation shutters in the garage. We got ceiling fans in here if you want to keep it cool. A lot of options for storage. And it's a wide garage. And by the way, you can see the width on each side of that door. All right. Maybe I'll just go peek into that dining room. You can see how well this floor plan would flow. Some people want a big formal dining room, and you've got it here. What I also really appreciate is just all the built-in cabinets. Look at all that. Nice, very nice. In fact, we'll go through here. All right. Let's go to the other side of the main floor. This is a big house, big sprawling rambler. Nice wide hallways, lots of closets. One of the things that they undertook over the last couple of years is to remodel all of the bathrooms in this home. And they went down to the studs. We have designer tile, we have floating cabinets, countertops. Everything is custom. Look at the beautiful tub that they chose here. And the tile goes all the way up. By the way, you got a wonderful view of the valley as you're taking a shower. Can't beat that. All right, here's one of the bedrooms. It's a large bedroom. And you can see that hardwood floor carries in plantation shutters. See how tall the windows are? It's just a different feel. This home just has so many custom touches. You're gonna recognize that when you come through. Love the lighting in here. Wow, that's cool. This bedroom actually has a door that goes into that hall bathroom, which is really convenient. They use this bedroom, which is a little bit smaller than the other one, as an office. Still a sizable bedroom though. Love that. Okay, you're gonna like this master suite. First of all, you have double doors. That's super inviting. Look how much width you have here. All these custom shelves. There's more of those window seats. And they've really done a nice job on all of the window treatments. For example, you can sit in bed and with a remote, you can raise and lower the blinds, which I think is awesome. And of course, why wouldn't you want to sit in bed and enjoy that view? That's just a taste of it. We'll just give you a preview. We'll go in the backyard and take a look at more of that. Here's your fully remodeled master bathroom. Wow. Okay, cool toilet. Look at the room though in this little toilet closet. And you can see that you have a nice door that you can shut. Vanities are so great. See all the lighting underneath the vanities. This shower, oh man, the shower is so nice. Look at all the cool designer materials that we have here. And water could spray in many different directions, right? From many different directions. Okay, have you ever priced out a custom closet? Well, you don't want to have to pay for it. But they did, and it is something. Now, you can just see how tall this closet is. I mean, but you just look at these touches. You can pull these things down. Hang so much there. Plenty of space for your shoes. Wow, they paid a lot of money for that. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go back down the hallway. We've seen most of the main floor, and now we have an entire basement also that we need to explore. Take a look here. I'm gonna pause. All right, custom railings here, solid. If you're looking for a big family room, here it is. Turn to the right at the bottom of the stairs. Look how big this thing is. Gosh, that is a huge sectional, just so you have some perspective. I mean, this is a very large space. And guess what? There's another fireplace. Isn't that cozy? I love that. I love this surprise. We have a full kitchen down here. Bar seating. Look at the number of cabinets. All the appliances here. Man. So if you want to entertain, if you want a kitchen for your guests, if you have long-term, guests that stay here, I'm going to show you that this home has an entrance into the basement, which is beautiful. A little mudroom, a stackable washer and dryer would go right there. We have some storage under the stairs. There's that fireplace one more time. Okay, I told you there's a basement entrance, right? These are both double doors that'll let that breeze in if you ever want to get some fresh air, open all of those up. That closet gives you some additional storage out here. They've retained this whole lot so nicely. They've done it right. I love the space out here. You could put a hot tub if you wanted to. It's totally private. Nobody's gonna see you down here. I love this. Give you a little view of the yard from down here. It's fenced all the way around, cool fencing. And what I like about this fencing, it doesn't block your view. It just adds to it. You got like a private mini sled hill in the wintertime. Isn't that great? Oh, you're gonna love that deck. But first, I want to point out that you have 2 new AC units, which is phenomenal, okay? And guess what? This Generac system right here, $18,000. It's included. If your power goes out, that thing will kick on. It is a nice piece of equipment, and they're so generous to leave that. This is what I'm saying here. There is a gate right here. Somebody, if you had somebody that was staying here long term, they could come in and out if they wanted to and not have to bother you. Okay, we got so much more to see here. And a few huge surprises. Probably one of the biggest surprises is that they have created an absolute oasis. This is a full spa. Cold plunge tub. Big soaker tub right here. Steam shower. Isn't this something? Here's your little steam nozzle. Of course, you've got all kinds of shower heads, including a wand. Oh, wow, they spent some money on this, and they've really enjoyed it. And they want you to enjoy it too. Floating vanity, custom lighting underneath, great mirror. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, this is actually a storage room right here. I won't open it up, but it goes from here all the way over to there. Keep your life nice and tidy. Here's those wide hallways again, which I think you'll appreciate as you're moving furniture. Nothing feels constricted around here. Here's that basement bathroom. Tile, counters, everything's new, down to the studs. All these bathrooms, down to the studs. Okay, as I mentioned, these basement bedrooms do not feel like you are in a basement. Isn't that something? Okay, right here we have another office. They use it as an office. Of course, you can see that they've made the right flooring choices for it to be an office. Can't help it. Oh, actually it's locked. I'm not sure why that's locked, but there are 2 new furnaces in that utility room. So 2 new HVAC systems, both the AC and the furnace. Man, if you've had to replace those kinds of things, it'll eat you alive. They've done it for you. Gorgeous guest bedroom. You got a view, a nice view from the basement bedroom and the natural light. So great. One more bedroom here, smaller bedroom. But again, I love the fact that you could get in and out in case you had some sort of an emergency. It's one of the other features of this basement. So easy to get in and out in case you needed to. Smart thermostat. Okay, wow. This basement is mind-blowing, and in particular this spa. So we're gonna go outside, and there are yet more surprises. Okay, we are back here in the family room. Can't wait to show you this. Not only do you have that extra wide 2-car garage, you have a full RV garage for all the toys. The dimensions will be listed in on the MLS profile, but you can see how tall that garage door is. You could get whatever you need to in there. Boat with the tower on, small RV, whatever you want. That's a 4-car garage. Incredible. And by the way, this is all secured by this gate, which is super nice. Side load garage, you don't have to see your garage door from the front. Oh, it's so nice. We'll peek in there. Now this family, of course, is moving and they've prepared their home for sale. So a lot of their other items have gone into the shop. But I can assure you, it is absolutely enormous. And it's all finished out too. I mean, it's not some, you're not seeing the studs. It's all sheetrocked. It's all mudded, taped, textured, painted, all of it. Great lighting also. Isn't that something? Man, I am so jealous. So basically you have a 6-car garage in this home. You're not gonna beat that. Okay, I've kind of been teasing you about this view, and it is really spectacular. What I love about this, even though we're up here in the hills, you have a very flat, or at least a lot of flat space here in the backyard for you to enjoy. And then you've got that little dip right there, which is so fun for the kids. Put a slip and slide in the summertime, sledding hill in the wintertime. Oh, unobstructed view. Unobstructed view. Incredible. I wanted to show you the back side of this home because it is from one side to the other, a great big deck and super accessible. You're gonna entertain people. Notice that, I mean, again, it's 7:30 in the evening and you're in the shade on your deck here. The placement of this home on this lot could not be better. So, you're gonna wanna see this home. Give us a call or the agent that provided you the tour. We will get you through. I think it's gonna go quick. I mean, I don't wanna say that this is the biggest selling feature because the whole house it will just sell itself. But I'll tell you, that garage is incredible. The location's incredible. Your proximity to everything, the views, I can't say enough about it. Really a fabulous home. Thank you for watching.